Hello there, Doris Bice here from the Utrecht Java User Group, and today I'll show you a Spring Boot demo application for the Units of Measurement API JSR 385. This demo was created during our Adopt-a-JSR day on the 1st of June 2019, where we hosted the Spec Lead of JSR 385, Werner Keil. Now, enough with the necessary intro, let's go directly to the demo itself. Besides the initiation class of the Spring Boot application, we have two basic classes, two helper classes for the conversion of our units of measurement, of course. And let me just mention that the five important fields here when it comes to a conversion are value, which could be something like a 5, of course, a unit, which could be something like a meter, M stands for a meter. Prefix could be something like kilo, so kilometer, prefix and unit, as I said. Target unit should be the same as unit, otherwise we will get an exception, and target prefix should be the prefix which we would like to convert our value to, so something like a milli. That could be an example, right? So yeah, two basic classes, and we also have a custom runtime exception for handling or any kind of bad requests. What could be a bad request? A bad request could be, for example, if I here had gram instead of meter, right? Because how will it be possible to convert a unit from meters to grams? Yeah, nobody knows, right? That's why we should definitely throw an exception. So and of course our controller class where the meat is. So of course this is nothing more other than a very basic REST controller with two mappings actually. The demo mapping where we are converting from kilometers, as you can see, to watt, to millimeters. Of course, this is just for demonstration purposes, and let's not waste that much time because I think it's more or less clear already. So let me start, or at least it's clear. I would guess it is clear for what we are about to expect from the demo mapping here, right? So quite of a simple application. It doesn't take that much for Spring Boot to start it up. So port 7070, and more or less I have it already ready here, and you can see, right? So 55 kilometers, kilo is here, target prefix to milli. So the target value is of course 5.5 to the power of -7, as you can see. Sorry, not to the -7, to the power of 7, of course, otherwise we would have a -7 here, right? So once again, what would happen with a 50? So 50 kilometers are 5 to the power of 7 meters. And yeah, in case it doesn't seem that easy or that straightforward, let's go directly to the second mapping, which is all about conversions of user input. Now we're into the actual meat. So we define here a source unit and a target unit using a custom private method here. You can read more about it afterwards, but for now I would like to just showcase how this could be possible with the conversion mapping. So let me just for now use HTTP PY to perform this HTTP post request. And so what do I have here? I already have a ready command. So what we would like to achieve here is to convert a value of 80, so kilograms. So we're talking about kilograms here, right? We would like to convert 80 kilograms to what? To milligrams, right? So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as we said. The 5 important fields which we should define when we would like to see a proper conversion happening, right? So let's hit it. So we see that HTTP PI returns a 200, which is a successful one, of course, and we see prefix, it is a kilo, and the target prefix it's milli. Target unit grams, and the value 80. So actually, what we see here is that the conversion was successful. So the conversion from 80 kilos gave us back how many? Of course, this amount, and I'm trying to count with you as well. So it is 380 million milligrams, right? Enough with that. Let's go to a different example, because as I mentioned before, we cannot convert or we cannot perform a conversion between different units, right? So if I try converting 80 kilograms to what? Let me just see. To millimeters. What should I get? Should I get an exception? Yeah, right. This is 400, so bad request. So kilometers is not compatible with mm. Why mm? Of course, because m stands for meters and milli has the prefix of m as well. So, and I could also give you a different example, just for the sake of the conversion, and zeta, right? ZM, yeah. It's not the French ZM, of course, but yeah, kilogram is not compatible with zeta meter, just for demonstration purposes. And how come or where could we really find all those metric prefixes, right? No worries, I got your back, fellows. So here we have our metric prefix class, where you can see all the available constants for our prefixes, auto, sandy, and so on and so forth. So once again, just a very last example. If I would like to convert a kilo or a zeta meter or a zeta gram to a milligram, how that should go like. Of course, it's not possible because I'm not converting grams to grams, right? So let me just go to convert grams to grams. So this is a 200, of course, and indeed it happened, right? So I managed to convert 80 zetagrams to this amount of milligrams. Of course, I'm not gonna try pronouncing this, but you got my point, right? You got the point, I guess. So, more or less, that was it, and I will update. No, you will find everything regarding our units, our Adopt-a-JSR day, and the GitHub repository of our units of measurement API, and the demos we created during our Adopt-a-JSR day in the description of this video. For now, many thanks for watching, and till the next one. Thank you.